Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Our today's lecture is from chapter 2, Binary Computing. The topic is conversion of binary number system into decimal number system. Binary number system consists of only two values 0 and 1, and the decimal number system consists of 10 values from 0 to 9. Example number 1, we have to convert this number, which is 10011, and this number is in binary number system. We have to convert this number into decimal number system. To convert into decimal number system, we can use the expansion method. Now we will write all the numbers, binary numbers, and we'll multiply all the binary numbers with 2, as the base of binary number system is 2. So we have written here and multiplied all the numbers with 2, 1 into 2, then plus 0 into 2, plus 0 into 2, plus 0 into 2, plus 1 into 2, plus 1 into 2. On number 2, you can see the powers. The powers we will start writing from the right side. Starting from the right side, the first power we have written 2 into 0, then 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, and 2 power 5. This is how we have written all the powers. Now I'll multiply the numbers. 2 raised to power 5 is equals to 32. So 1 into 32. Then 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So 0 into 16. 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8. So 0 is multiplied with 8. 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 4. So it is multiplied by 1. 2 raised to power 1 is equals to 2. And 2 raised to power 0 is always equals to 1. Now we will multiply these numbers. Now we'll add these numbers. 32 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. We will add these numbers and the result is 39. Now our binary number system is converted into decimal number system. Second example, the number which we have to convert into decimal system is 111010. In this example, we will use the same method, expansion method. We'll expand this number and multiply the binary number, each and every binary number with 2. 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 0 into 2, 1 into 2, and 0 into 2. Then we will start writing the powers from the right side. 2 raised to power 0, 2 power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5. As you can see that 2 raised to power 5 is 32, 2 raised to power 4 is 16, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 1 is 2, and 2 raised to power 0 is 1. We'll multiply these numbers, then we will add them. After multiplying the numbers, you can see 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. Now we will add all these numbers and the answer is 58. Now the binary number system is converted into the decimal number system. Thank you.